Hello, welcome to my short video. I wanted to invite you to the free key workshop that we are going to do on upcoming Saturday on February, and it will be on 4 p.m. Amsterdam time zone. That's my time. Maybe your time is differently. You'll have to look that up with an online time zone converter. You will find that out. And yeah, I just want you to learn how to heal yourself with the main basic tool that Divine Mother revealed to me and that I had a lot of success with for myself and for some of my clients during the last 10 years. I and some of my clients have got to the true twin flame, which is your ultimate co-creational partner, and we got to be safe within our mission and our money life 100%, and are now on the verge of growing in a way that is sustainable because you are so, let's say, purified on the soul that everything you are going to build now will stay with you, um, because you're building on something that is really solid and it sticks with you. It's on the soul level, so it sticks with you. Actually, eternally, because the soul is not even stopping to exist when you would die. So you even take that with you after that. But that sounds like very far away, and we actually just want to feel good now. Well, guess what? That's what it really does. It makes you feel really good right now, and that's what key does. That's the key. And let's make that key work for you. It's self healing, it's inner healing, it's energetic healing, it's mind healing, and you can just make a nice step in the now, a small step that will be crucial for you. And in this workshop, we will just be giving you the opportunity to feel, to understand the tool, and to make this small step for yourself. I would hope to do this regularly in the coming time to give you this opportunity to do key together and really like practice it and have a little tip here and there, while you can also do key yourself, of course, because you can just grant it yourself, feel ultimately good in the now yourself. And that's how you can do just key for yourself. You don't even need the workshop, but it can be really nice to be in the workshop with us, isn't it? And for yourself, you could just find out what key is, the 4 questions that you ask yourself. In our group, Your Abundance, you can find the pinned post on the top of the group where there is explanation and a video. And you can also go to the file section of the group. There you have free downloads, files that you can download on your computer or your smartphone. And there is the explanation too. And there are even worksheets that you can use, which makes it extremely easy for you to do that, right? But now we're just adding this small group workshop. We won't be having 100s of people, but just small and intimate. And we're just going to practice this together. Upcoming Saturday, the 26th of February 2022, will be the first, and I hope to see you. Please let me know you want to take part. I need to know that on forehand, and then I can confirm you and give you the latest notes on what link to click so that you can come in, etc. So I hope to see you, and yeah, let's just have a fun, relaxed hour or so on Saturday together and give you the opportunity to feel even better when you roll out of that workshop. So, yeah, I just love to do that for you. And Yeah, hope to see you. Say yes and let me know. Then I can confirm you. Alrighty. See you real soon then. Love from Petra.